Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so our Varnier's caliper experiment has ended in the last week. So for today's class, I'll give you I'll give you a class assignment. I'll give you some questions, and you have to write down the questions within the class hour, and you have to submit to me. This is your class assignment for today. So please open your copies and write down the question. Okay, why only 26 students?
মেম কি বুলি কৈছিলে শুনাই নাপালো
Hello? Why only 26 students? Don't you know the importance of attendance? Okay, so write down the questions. You have to complete all the 5 questions and you have to submit it within the class hour. That means by 3:30 you have to submit all the questions. Okay, all of you can hear me properly, right? Please respond. You can hear me or not.
yes ma'am
Okay, okay,
I
write
can.
down the questions then. Okay, first question. What is the formula? What is the formula for calculating? What is the formula for calculating volume of a sphere? What is the formula? What is the formula for calculating volume of a sphere?
Of
Of a sphere. What is the formula for calculating volume of a sphere? Sphere. Okay, all of you have write down the first question. Write down
yes
the
ma'am
okay. Write down the second question then. What is the formula for calculating volume of a cube? What is the formula for calculating volume of a cube? What is the formula for calculating volume of a cube? Okay, now third question. What is the formula for calculating volume of a hollow cylinder? What is the formula for calculating volume of a hollow cylinder? Third question.
Ma'am, gender spelling.
What is the? What did you ask? Ask your question again. I was unable to hear you. Ask your question again.
What is the formula for calculating volume of
Volume of a hollow cylinder. Hollow cylinder.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you repeat number two? Ma'am,
Number
network
two.
issue.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What is number two is what is the formula for calculating volume of a cube? What is the formula for calculating volume of a cube? Question number two.
Okay, ma'am.
Third question is what is the formula for calculating volume of a hollow cylinder, hollow cylinder.
One minute.
What is the formula for calculating volume of a hollow cylinder? Third question done. Now write down the fourth question. Why do we use vernier caliper? Fourth question. Why do we use vernier caliper? Why do we use vernier caliper? Why do we use vernier caliper? Then fifth question is fifth question is what is the difference between main scale and vernier scale? What is the difference between main scale and vernier scale? Fifth question. What is the difference between main scale and vernier scale? What is the difference between main scale and vernier scale? So, so do you have any class at 3 p.m.? Margina. Do you have any class at 3 p.m. students?
9?
নাই ন ঠিক আছে তো তো তোমালোকে এইখিনি কুৱেশ্যনছ লিখি কিনে মোক 3:30 ফিজিক্সৰ গ্ৰুপত তোমালোকৰ এনচাৰখিনি পঠিয়াই দিবা মই I'll take everyone answers and this will be your class assignment and this will be calculated in your assignment marks. So all of you have to complete these 5 questions and submit to me by 3:30 and I'll check everyone's answers. So All of you have to submit. And if you have any questions regarding the vernier caliper experiment, you can ask now. Do you have any questions regarding the experiment?
हेलो
Yes.
मैम क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 को और एक बार बता देना।
One को ठीक है. What is the formula for calculating volume of a sphere? What is the formula for calculating volume of a sphere? Did you write down the question? ओके तुम लोग अपना
मैम
अटेंडेंस चार्ट बॉक्स में देना स्टार्ट कर दो. यस.
मैम কুৱেশ্যন নম্বৰ 5 টো ডিফাৰেন্সটো আমি এটা বা দুটা সেন্টেন্স দিলে হ'বনে?
यस यस मिनिमम এনসারটো সৰুকে দিলেই হ'ল, ইমান ডাঙৰ বহলোৱাৰ দৰকাৰ নাই. In minimum words. Okay, if you have any question regarding the experiment, you can ask, because from now on I'll only discuss the questions.
मैम नंबर 4 टू किमान मान लिखिब লাগিব किमान मान why do you use vernier caliper
লিখি দিবা দুটা তিনিটা লাইন. Okay, if all of you have write down the questions and gave your attendance, then you can leave the meeting and start writing the answers and submit to me by 3:30. Okay. You can leave the meeting if you have give your attendance and write down all the questions. You can leave and do your assignment and submit for 3:30. Okay. Then you will get the 4 marks. Everyone got it? Everyone? Why am not talking? Why am not talking? Huh? Two or more people are talking, but most of you